Because if they work based on their feelings, their negative feelings, they would have not been where they are right now. They are where they are right now because they did not prioritize their negative feelings. They prioritized what they really wanted. Because your negative feelings are going to stop you. They're not gonna help you achieve your goal. Your negative feelings, your overthinking, it's going to stop you. It's doing the opposite. It's like, hey, don't do it. No, you're stupid. No, you can't do this. No, you're gonna fail. What will people say about you? What about that? What about that? No. You're dumb. You can't do it. No, you can't. This is not for you. Stop. You're gonna fail. No. They did not let anything or anyone or not any overthinking or negative thinking stop them. Even their failures, they did not allow their failures to stop them. Because why? Because they saw failure as another stepping stone to greatness. Failure is part of success. Renouncing is the opposite of success.